Good morning, students. So write down the next side heading. Workmen compensation reserve. So पहले तो हम ये जानते हैं कि what do we mean by workmen compensation reserve. So every company will have a reserve in case when there is a problem to a worker or he has met with an accident. So the company will need to compensate the worker. So उसके लिए company एक अलग सा reserve बनाती है which is known as workmen compensation reserve. So under that write down, this reserve is created out of a firm's profit to pay compensation to employees. So under the workmen compensation reserve, we have 4 cases. Let me give you an example and explain you this. Say for example, the workmen's compensation reserve is rupees 90,000. So we have a case when there is no claim. तो रिजर्व 90,000 था बट उस साल में कोई भी क्लेम नहीं हुआ. सो से द ओल्ड रेशियो वाज 1:1 and the new ratio is 3:2. So because there was no claim for the compensation reserve, तो इसमें इस केस में क्या हुआ, we divided the reserve of 90,000 to the partners in the old ratio. So in this case what will be the entry? जो पार्टनर का कैपिटल अकाउंट है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है कि डिक्रीज हो रहा है? इट इज इंक्रीजिंग बिकॉज दे आर गेटिंग एडिशनल वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन रिजर्व इन देयर कैपिटल. So what will be the journal entry? It is workman compensation reserve debited to old partners capital account. Right? So after you've written the meaning, write down the first one. Case 1. If there is no claim against workmen compensation reserve. So under that write down the journal entry. Workmen compensation reserve account debited. You cannot write the short form. Marks कटेंगे आपके एग्जाम में. You have to write the full sentence, that is workmen's compensation reserve to partners capital account. So ये कौन से रेशियो में रहेगा? ओल्ड रेशियो. Clear? Then we have case 2, that claim is of 60,000. तो रिजर्व कितना था हमारा? 90,000 था. तो कितने का क्लेम किया गया है? 60,000 का. So in this case what happens? Out of 90,000 you have given a claim of 30,000. So how much is remaining? 30,000 is remaining. So this 30,000 you would be giving it to your partner's capital account. So write down case 2. If the claim is lower than the amount of workmen compensation reserve. So what will be the journal entry? It is workmen's compensation reserve account debited to provision for workmen's compensation reserve, workmen compensation claim account to partners capital account. So जो workmen compensation reserve था वो कितना था? 90,000. Please don't write the amount. This is just for your understanding. तो कितना claim कर दिया? 60,000. And how much we are giving it to the partners? 30,000. So when the claim is less than the reserve, this is how you write the journal entry. Next, they have given if the claim is 90,000. तो reserve भी 90,000 था, claim भी 90,000 था. So what will we do in this case? Partners को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, पूरा claim workmen's compensation claim account में जाएगा. So write down third case. If the claim is equal to workmen compensation reserve. So what will be the third journal entry? It is workmen's compensation reserve account debited to provision for workmen compensation claim account. So after each cases you need to write the journal entry. Case 1 you have written workmen compensation reserve to partners capital. Case 2 it is workmen compensation reserve account to provision to partners. Third case is workman compensation reserve account to provision for workman's compensation claim account. Next we have the last claim. If the claim is 1,20,000, तो reserve 90,000 था, इसका claim कितना हुआ है 1,20,000, which means it is more than the reserve. So when the claim is more than the reserve, इस केस में हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन अकाउंट को डेबिट करते हैं. हाउ मच इज इट, हमारे पास 90,000 है. वी क्रेडिट इट टू प्रोविजन फॉर वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन क्लेम अकाउंट. कितना है, कितना क्लेम किया है 1,20,000. सो देर इज अ बैलेंसिंग फिगर ऑफ 30,000 इन आर डेबिट साइड. सो वी विल डेबिट इट टू रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. So the entry will be workman compensation reserve account debited, revaluation account debited to provision for workman's compensation claim account. So we have prepared a new account, that is revaluation account. तो इस केस में क्या होता है, रिजर्व हमारे पास सिर्फ 90,000 का था, बट क्लेम 1,20,000 का हुआ है, विच मीन्स पार्टनर्स को अपने पॉकेट से 30,000 डालने पड़ेंगे. सो व्हेन द पार्टनर्स आर पुटिंग एडिशनल अमाउंट ऑफ 30,000, we are debiting the revaluation account, but this revaluation account loss should be transferred to our partner's capital account. This is a loss to the partner, so this is the first entry under that. Second entry will be partner's capital account debited to revaluation account. It will be of the amount जो भी difference आया 30,000 and 30,000. Clear? So write down case 4. If the claim is more than the amount of workman's compensation fund, under that write down the first one. First journal entry will be workman compensation reserve account debited, revaluation account debited to provision for workman's compensation claim account. And under that second one, loss transferred to partner's capital account. Under that, partner's capital account debited to revaluation account. So let us work out a problem. PQR sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. Decide to share profit and loss in the ratio 4:3:2 with effect from 1st April. Following is an extract of balance sheet. Show the accounting treatment under the cases. No information is given. Claim is 24,000, claim is 60,000, claim is 75,000. तो जो वर्कमैन कॉम्पेंसेशन रिजर्व था वो कितना था 60,000. So we need to have 4 cases. So write down journal entry. Draw the format, that is date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So what is the first entry? 1st April 2017. We have case 1. Case 1, there is no information given. So when no information is given, what is the journal entry? Workman's compensation reserve account debited. Please write the full form. How many partners we have? 3 partners. So P's capital account to Q's capital account to R's capital account. So what is the workman compensation reserve? It is 60,000. And what is the old profit sharing ratio? It is 3:2:1. So 60,000 into 3/6, that is 30,000. Then we have 60,000 into 2/6, 20,000. And then we have 60,000 into 1/6, that is 10,000. Write down the narration. Transfer of workman compensation reserve to partner's capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Next we have case 2. When the claim is of 24,000. So it is less than the workman compensation reserve account. So what will be the entry? Workman compensation reserve account debited to provision of workman compensation claim account to P's capital account to Q's capital account to R's capital account. So what is the workman compensation reserve? It is 60,000. Claim कितने का हुआ है? 24,000 का. So how much balance is remaining now? 60,000 minus 24,000, that is 36,000. So 36,000 in the old ratio. 36,000 into 3 by 6, 18,000. 36,000 into 2 by 6, 12,000. 36,000 into 1 by 6, it is 6,000. Write down the narration. Transfer of excess workmen's compensation reserve to partners' capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Next we have case 3. When the compensation claim is 60,000. So it is equal to a compensation reserve. So what will be the entry? Workmen compensation reserve account debited to provision for workmen's compensation claim account. So how much is it? 60,000 debit, 60,000 credit. The whole amount we are writing it to provision for workmen compensation claim account. Write down the narration. Provision made for workmen's compensation claim. Next we have the last case, that is fourth one. If the claim is 75,000. So here the claim is more than the reserve. So we'll have the first entry, that is workmen compensation reserve account debited. Revaluation account debited to provision for workmen's compensation claim account. So reserve is how much? 60,000. Provision कितने का claim हुआ है? It is of 75,000. What is the balancing figure? 15,000 will be transferred to revaluation account. Write down the narration. Provision created and shortfall charged to revaluation account. And what will be the last entry? We have to transfer the loss to our partner's capital account. So P's capital account debited, Q's capital account debited, R's capital account debited to revaluation account. 15,000 in what ratio? Old ratio. So 15,000 into 3 by 6, we get 7,500. 15,000 into 2 by 6 of Q, 5,000. And last we get 2,500. So write down the narration. Transfer of loss on revaluation to partners' capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. So this is all about your workmen's compensation reserve. After this, take down the next side heading. Investment fluctuation reserve. So what do we mean by investment fluctuation reserve? से आपने कोई शेयर्स या स्टॉक्स लिए हैं मार्केट से जिसकी वैल्यू जब आपने खरीदा था 1 लाख रुपए थी, बट आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट विल स्टार्ट fluctuating. There will be change in the prices of the investment you have purchased. So this is known as investment fluctuation reserve. So how do we treat this when there is a change in the profit sharing ratio? Under this, write down, this reserve is created out of firm's profit to meet the fall in the market value of investments. So इसमें भी अलग अलग केस है. राइट डाउन केस 1. अगेन सेम थिंग, व्हेन इट इज इक्वल, व्हेन इट इज मोर, व्हेन इट इज लेस. तो क्या होता है आपके बैलेंस शीट में इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ आता है? वी राइट इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन द एसेट साइड. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 1 लाख एंड योर रिजर्व जो आपने क्रिएट किया था उसके लिए रिजर्व क्यों क्रिएट करते हैं आप? अगर कोई फ्लक्चुएशन आएगा, अगर 1 लाख से 50,000 हो गया या 1 लाख से 1.5 लाख हो गया, सो वी ऑलवेज क्रिएट अ रिजर्व टू मीट द फ्यूचर अनसर्टेनिटी. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो रिजर्व आपने क्रिएट किया था वो 60,000 रुपीज का था. तो एट वॉट एवर प्राइस यू परचेज इट इज नोन एज बुक वैल्यू एंड योर करेंट प्राइस विल बी नोन एज मार्केट वैल्यू. सो जो बैलेंस शीट में इन्वेस्टमेंट है, दिस इज योर बुक वैल्यू. ओके, सो राइट डाउन केस 1. When book value and market value of investment is same. So what will be case 1? Your book value, that is जिसमें आपने खरीदा था 1 लाख रुपीज, and your market value वो भी same रहेगा. So both your book value and your market value will be the same. So write down the journal entry under that. It is investment fluctuation reserve account debited. Please write the full form to partners capital account. So because जो भी बुक वैल्यू था वो 1 लाख था एंड आज की डेट में जो मार्केट वैल्यू है वो भी 1 लाख है. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल ट्रांसफर द एंटायर इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएटिंग रिजर्व अकाउंट टू आवर पार्टनर्स इन द ओल्ड रेशियो. ओके, राइट डाउन केस 2. व्हेन मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इज लेस देन द बुक वैल्यू. सो करंट प्राइस 60,000 था एंड व्हाट वाज the purchase price 1 lakh था. So your market value is less than the book value. So in this case, again write down A. Fall in the value is less than investment fluctuation reserve. Under that, write down the journal entry. Investment fluctuation reserve account debited to investment account to partners capital account. This investment bracket में you can write book value minus market value. Write down B. Fall in value is equal to investment fluctuation reserve. So under that the journal entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debited to investment account. Write down the third one. Fall in the value is more than investment fluctuation reserve. So C, write down under C first journal entry. Investment fluctuation account debited, revaluation account debited to investment account. Under that second one, partners capital account debited to revaluation account. After this, write down case 3. When market value of investment is more than the book value. So if your book value is 1 lakh and if your market value is 1,20,000, how will we treat investment fluctuating reserve? So write down under that first one, transfer the entire amount of investment fluctuation reserve to partners capital account. So under that the entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debited to partners capital account. Write down the second one, increase in the value of investment. So what will be the journal entry? Investment account debited to revaluation account. Write down the third one. So we need to transfer the revaluation to partners capital account. Write down revaluation account debited to partners capital account. Clear? So let us work out the problem so that you could understand it more clearly. PQR sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. Decide to share profit and loss with effect from 1st April 2017. Following is the extract of balance sheet. So ऐसा मत समझना कि हमारी बैलेंस शीट टैली नहीं हुई है. बैलेंस शीट में इन्होंने सिर्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट और इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व के बारे में बताया है. So investment was 5 lakh and the reserve created was 30,000. So they have given us the following cases and asked us to work out the problem. So write down journal entry, draw the format, we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So what is the first date? 1/4/2017, case 1. So in case 1, there is no information given to us. So if no information is given, what is the entry? Investment fluctuating reserve account debited to P's capital account, to Q's capital account, to R's capital account. So what is the reserve account? It is 30,000. And what is the old ratio? 3:2:1. So 30,000 into 3 by 6, we get 15,000. Then 30,000 into 2 by 6, we get 10,000. 30,000 into 1 by 6, we get 5,000. Write down the narration. Transfer to excess investment fluctuating reserve to partners' capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Next we have case 2. If the market value of investment is 5,000. So when the market value information is same, it will be the same thing as your case 1. So write down case 2. You need to write down the same thing. What is your case 1? That is investment fluctuation reserve account debited to P's capital account, to Q's capital account, to R's capital account. Okay. Next we have case 3. If the market value of investment is 4,88,000. So what was the investment value? Book value is 5 lakh, but the market value is 4,88,000. So our market value is less than the book value. So what will be our journal entry? It is investment fluctuation reserve account debited to investment account, to P's capital account, to Q's capital account, to R's capital account. So what is our investment fluctuating reserve? It is 30,000. How will we find our investment? It is book value minus market value. So 4 lakh. So 5 lakh minus 4,88,000, we get 12,000. And the remaining balance will be transferred to P, Q and R in the old profit sharing ratio. That is 30,000 minus 12,000 is 18,000. So 18,000 into 3 by 6, we get 9,000. 18,000 into 2 by 6, we get 6,000. 18,000 into 1 by 6, we get 3,000. So write down the narration. Transfer of excess investment fluctuation reserve to partners' capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. After that, write down case 4. If the market value of investment is 4,46,000. So what is our book value? 5 lakh. And now what is our market value? 4,46,000. So in case 3, what happened? What was the difference? It was 4 lakh minus 4,88,000. So difference was 12,000. So this difference was less than the investment fluctuating reserve. That is the reason we passed out the entry, that is investment fluctuation reserve to investment to P, Q and R. But what does our case 4 says? What is the difference? 5 lakh minus 4,46,000. How much is it? It is 54,000. So this difference is more than the investment fluctuating reserve. So how will we treat the same? Write down case 4. It is investment fluctuating reserve account debited, revaluation account debited to investment account. So what is the difference of our investment? 54,000. What is our investment fluctuating reserve? It is only 30,000. So the difference of 24,000 will be transferred to revaluation account. So write down the narration. Fall in the value of investment adjusted through investment fluctuating reserve and the shortfall charged to revaluation account. After this, there is one more entry. Because revaluation is debited, we need to credit it. So this revaluation should be again credited and partners' capital should be debited. So after this, write down partners, P's capital account debited, Q's capital account debited, R's capital account debited to revaluation account. So what is the total of revaluation? It will be 24,000. So what is the old ratio? 3:2:1. So 24,000 into 3 by 6. 24,000 into 2 by 6. 24,000 into 1 by 6. So 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. Last we have case 5. If the market value of investment is 5,06,000. So the market value is more than the investment value. Total investment कितना था? 5 lakh. But now what is the market value? It is 5,06,000. So what will be our journal entry? Write down case 5. First it is investment fluctuation reserve account debited to P's capital account, to Q's capital account and to R's capital account. Right? The first step is to transfer the excess balance to the capital accounts of the partners. So it is how much? So the first step is to transfer the international investment fluctuation reserve to the partners. So 30,000 into 3 by 6, 10,000, 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. So write down the narration. Transfer of excess investment fluctuating reserve to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Next entry will have investment account debited to revaluation account. So what is the investment account? Excess balance कितना है? It was 5 lakh, but now it is 5,06,000. So 6,000 extra balance we need to bring down. Write down the narration. Value of investment brought up to the market value. And then we have the last entry, transfer revaluation to partners capital account. So P's capital account debited, Q's capital account debited, R's capital account debited to revaluation account. How much is revaluation? 6,000. What is the old ratio? 6,000 into 3 by 6. 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000. So what does the last case mean? Our investment was 5 lakh, but now our market value is 5,06,000. So there is excess of investment, that is increase in market value. So जो भी reserve है वो तो वैसे भी use नहीं आना है. So that becomes an income to the partners. So first we transfer the reserve to our partners capital account, the entire amount. Then जो भी excess balance है 6,000, we transfer it to revaluation account as it is a profit for the firm. And then we transfer it to capital's account as the capital of the partners are increasing. So clear? So we are done with the workman compensation reserve and investment fluctuating reserve. That's all for today. Thank you.